Hello again, class. Today we're going to study the sound that the letter Y makes. So, as you can see in the illustration below or next to the letter Y, we're going to use our hand and an imaginary cup of yogurt. And you scoop a spoonful of yogurt and bring it to your mouth and go, yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Yeah. Good job. Now, our first word is Y-O-G-U-R-T. That's Y-O-G-U-R-T. So let's read that one together. Yogurt. 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 Now the second word is Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Let's read that one together. Yellow. Yellow. Very good. Yellow is a color. The third word, Y-O-Y-O. Y-O-Y-O. Do you know the yo-yo? There's a string and an object that rolls the string around the object and goes doing, doing. And the fourth word is Y-E-S. Y-E-S. Yes. Yes. No. Yes. No. The last word. Y-A-R-D. Y-A-R-D. But if you live in a house, you may have a yard. A yard is a space outside behind the house. Some people have plants, some people have a pool, some people have just a space. A yard.